Alright, YouTube. Told you guys that I was going to bring you some more content on some stuff. And here we are working on the Harley truck. The suspension. Here's all the bag stuff. I had this done last year. And now, I just do not like the way that this thing rides. It rides really rough in my opinion. Kind of like a log ragging on hydraulics. But hey, to each his own. And you see my leaf springs all bent. I thought I put sport springs in here. That's why it was shaped like an S. But no, they're just bent, not right. So now I actually got a full cantilever kit, like a 4-link cantilever kit, bolt in. It should ride a whole lot better once we're done with this. And luckily, I got my SA that knows about a lot of air ride here with me. See that bent up thing? These technically shouldn't be below that line. He was telling me. I don't know a whole lot about air ride yet. I'm learning. But he called it the scrub line. I told him he was the scrub. And as you see, this is below the scrub line. Like TLC said, they don't want no scrubs. So I don't want no scrubs hanging down the passenger side of my air ride. I don't think that's right. So, we're gonna fix it all. Find all new locations and make it all pretty. TLC will be proud. I'll be able to drive by waterfalls. All the good stuff, man. Oh yeah, I got a cool crappy muffler over there that's cut off. I need to get new exhaust, and my drive shaft has some custom engraving that was free. I didn't even have to pay for the engraving, which is pretty cool. We're gonna fix all that. By engraving, I mean it was rubbing, if you didn't get my sarcasm. But there's my little air tank. There's my 2 compressors. I have the H3 kit on here. If I'm not mistaken, right, Paul? Yeah, I got the H3 kit on here, which is actually a very good kit. But we're gonna make it a lot better kit with this new bolt-in cantilever kit. I bought the whole cantilever kit, man, from Gauge magazine. They have some really nice stuff. I actually even bought new front tubular control arms. Ain't they JDMs? Yeah. So, or JDM, I'm thinking of tuners. Thinking of tuner cars right now for some reason. DJMs. I bought the DJM front, upper and lower tubular control arms for this thing. There's what? Oh yeah, I don't have no rice over here at all. I don't mind JDM cars. I wouldn't mind owning one day, but I just don't have one. But I'm a little scared of the DJM control arms because I did see a big DJM, I think it was like, I don't remember what kit it was, but it was a full kit that literally snapped off. I seen it snapped off, man. Don't be laughing because that's not cool. So I'm hoping my control arms are welded better than that dude's kit was. If they're not, then, you know, I'll be going up there and talking to him, having a talk. Yeah, there you go. If not, his buddy will make me sad. But I am... You guys don't harp over here on my eggshell rocker panel. And what is this dog eating? Oh, he's eating a bottle, okay. But yeah, I got a big brake kit on here. Everything's pretty cool. It's all shaved. So, I'll get back to you guys once we got some stuff tore apart a little bit more. All right, YouTube people, here's a little update Oh, truck's on fire. Wow, my friend over here keeps putting the fucking truck on fire. Yeah, that's cool. Go ahead, let's do it again. There it goes again. Another fire. This boat needs to come out. All 4 bolts are completely stuck for the leaf springs, and they have to be all heated up and cut out. This really sucks. Once we get them off, because I think that's going to be the hardest part out of all of it. Is getting these 4 bolts out. And it sucks. We've tried quite a bit. Cleaned up the rotors while it was off. Paint was flaking. Cleaned up a couple things. There's the dog being rude. He had to get the collar, had to get the training thing out. Good looking boy. But you gotta stop, bud. You don't know how to stop chewing on stuff. But anyways, yeah, these 4 leaf springs are going to be a pain in the ass, man. That's the worst thing about this, is trying to get those 4 bolts out. Because right now I don't have a torch. So we can't just torch them out.
Get back to that.
We cut on one with the hacksaw, the Milwaukee hacksaw, and it just wasn't going through it, and we got a good blade. We'll see. Let some of the water out. This one's sitting for a while. Hey, don't let it down too much farther on the front. Alrighty. Got some more part of this video coming up. As you see, man, them leaf springs in my truck were bent to no end. They were shot, man. Super shot. This is about where we got with the truck last night. This is pretty much one day of breaking it all down. Breaking everything down off of it. Got the air tank and stuff out, and got all the leaf springs off, and got most of the brackets off. I think we got that bracket still to pull off. And nope, that bracket up there is off. Yeah, so we only really got this bracket right here to pull off, which more or less pull off means that we have to grind all the rivets off of it. But we're not grinding them, we're actually using my air hammer and air hammer all the rivets off of them, which is extremely loud. It takes a little bit of time, but it's the best, most effective way. As you see, every night after working, I have to pick up all my tools and reorganize and mop the shop and clean the shop up today. I just want things clean and organized, man. I can't stand clutter, I can't stand mess. Can't stand when I see somebody's shop and there's literally just tools spread out everywhere and stuff like that. You think you know where everything is, but you don't. I literally know where everything is, put away. But anyways, yeah, that's the update. Here's where the drive shaft's been rubbing right here. And you see, that's a pretty deep groove, man. But luckily you can barely feel it with your nail, so it ain't crazy bad. It ain't gonna affect nothing. But we'll fix that issue. Get all the rest of the stuff pulled off tonight. Get the rear end, all this stuff down like this down off, and get it all grinded down, and get the shocks off, and hopefully get everything cleaned up and prepped and ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we should be putting everything together. And if everything goes right, then we should only be down for about 3, maybe 4 days. Should be pretty cool, man. Can't wait to actually see it all put back on, put together with the cantilever kit on here. It'll be a lot nicer. But I'll put this video out and I will give you the next video for tomorrow. Thanks, guys, for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.